Wouldn't it be nice if you could get exclusive dine-in offers, effortless travel and relaxing stay at your favorite destination, or just some amazing deals on car accessories and car rentals? How about access to the latest entertainment and new releases on demand? A convenient drive or being driven around service? Or safe and secure home delivery of medicines and daily needs products, fully sanitized with exclusive offers? Well, now you can. Presenting Hyundai Mobility Membership Program, a first-of-its-kind mobile app-based program that provides lifetime benefits across various categories, where you get access to exclusive offers under one roof through our unique partner ecosystem. Enjoy exclusive benefits around Hyundai cars, offers on mobility and lifestyle that ensure day-to-day convenience so that you can enjoy the quality of life and become our lifetime partners. Head over to the App Store and download our app today. Just register with your email ID and mobile number. Fill the details. Click on any of the categories. Enter your vehicle identification number. Confirm your vehicle details and you are ready to go. You can now activate and redeem the offers, especially curated for you according to your preference in just a few clicks. We give you a whole world of offers from some of the finest brands in the country to choose from. We promise to keep on adding more offers and partners regularly. So what are you waiting for? Join the Hyundai Mobility Membership Program today to add a touch of joy to your life.